Let's continue here. We are done with the inserting header and footer. So to make it know, as I said, you first insert the header name. After that, you press somewhere else. Then you go to view. You press on normal. Then let's continue. We need to compute by inserting the graphs or the pie charts. So doing that, for instance, you need to compute or to insert a graph of that indicates staff names against their net salary. So to do this, remember there are some other columns between staff names and net salary. What we do, we first highlight. If I have a touchpad or a mouse, you point where you see the first column of staff name, then you press the left button, you hold down, then you scroll up to the end of these names. After that, you press Ctrl key before continuing with any highlight. Then you move up to see the net salary. Then you left click on that very column name. Then you press left button still while holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Then you press left button, you scroll down up to when you finish the data. After that, you release the buttons of Ctrl key and left button. Then you go to insert button, you go to insert button. After, you choose these charts. We have column chart, pie chart, bar chart, among others. Let's use bar. As you choose bar, you may use the 2D bar, the 3D, the cylinder, the cone, and the pyramid. And you can even see all the charts from here. So let's choose the 3D bar. If it doesn't come out, you go back and check out the procedures or the steps that you used during the highlighting. So you highlight again, you release the button, that is left button, then you continue, you press Ctrl key, you go where you see the word is net salary, you highlight it also, then you release the buttons, then you go back to insert. Let's choose column chart. Doesn't come out, you go back, realize it again, what's net salary, like that, go to insert, column chart. So repeat the procedures up to when it comes out. Highlight. Another of highlighting, you can press shift with arrow keys on the keyboard, then press Ctrl key, then after reaching where you see net salary, press shift still, then you highlight, then you come back to insert column chart. So it has come out. So after that, you can even edit the column title here by double clicking. It provides a platform of editing. Then right, can say financial records. Remember what we are dealing with, it is so-called taxation. So if I try to move this graph or this column to another sheet, moving means cutting it. So you go where you see this frame, a frame, or the side of this this chart area or this chart, you right click, you go to cut, then you go to sheet 2. You first name this sheet as column graph, then you come here where you want to paste this graph, then you Ctrl V to paste that graph. Then let's go back to this original work. We need to compute the best or the staff members that are paid highly. What we can do, let's sort this net salary by highlighting it using either shift plus arrow keys or using left button and scrolling down. Then you go to home button, you choose sort from largest to smallest, then you say sort. After sorting, you'll be able to compute the best 5 teachers whom are paid highly. Then you first highlight the title headings, then scroll down up to the first 5 teachers whom are paid highly. Then after, right click and within this highlight, go to copy, then you go to sheet 3, you first name it as highly paid teachers. Then you go where you want to paste this copied work or data, then you press Ctrl V. Press Ctrl V. Then you can do some adjustments just to make your work look better. Then you can insert what you call cell borders inside this data. You press shift with arrow keys, as you can observe, up to when you finish this data. Then you right click inside this very highlighted part or data, go to format cells, then you choose borders as wait for the options. You choose borders, then you go to inside borders, then you do like this, as you can see, then you press OK, then you do save, Ctrl S. Then you can do the same here to this copied work, highlight, right click, go to format cells, then you go to inside borders, then you do like this, as you can observe here, then press OK. Then still Ctrl S to save the work. So this is done. This Excel work is done. That is taxation. So more formatting and editing, you can normally do it. We're done with lab text, highlight color, font style, or face, inserting borders, those are cell borders, inserting graphs or column graphs, cutting and pasting, copying and pasting. So that is it. Then still we can export this very Excel work to database by coming here